Hi everyone, it's Dagi from Hot Paw Vlog, and I'm outside in my garden today. I started yesterday with this back wall here with these boards, so that this composter will be closed here also, and on this side I made screws inside of the boards, and now I try to make a door here. Yeah. That I can make the boards here on the door. I want to make them away from this small pallet. It's not a very good one anymore, so yeah, you can see it on this side here, and that's why I decided to take this one for making my door. Da 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 da! So the door became now the ceiling, but it's okay. Yeah. This is how my composter looks like now. We can also close it. One moment. And this is how it looks like when it's closed. Yeah. So tomorrow I will do the door, and yeah. But for this I have to make some other pallets, small. Leonie and Mark are working here. Hello. So that this comes another level here till this house wall. Wow, Mark. Yeah. So we finished for today. Hello. Leonie is coming. So we have to put our tools inside of the shed now, in here on the back, and then we are going to eat something. I hope you liked the video for today. It was a small one, I know, but yeah. It cannot be always a very long one, so yes. I hope you will subscribe if you haven't done it yet, and till next time, bye.